Not downhill, not downhill. We are stopping and waiting for them. It's slowly, don't go downhill. Why?
Wrong side is going. Wrong.
So guys, I don't think I need to say too much, as you can see by yourself, and so many good things around. Bistari, Bistari. That's up here. So guys, we are in 괰ᴏ jungle now and we are having so much fun. So guys, we are here at 괰ᴏ backside jungle, I think. Look at the rhododendron. You can see a lot of rhododendron, and we did not know this path would be good, but we just tried. It's really beautiful.
Also जान्छ होला के जंगल जंगलको वाउ हेर न उयो.
Look at this hot guys. Nice one. Guys, not anyone. And beautiful, we don't know where we're going, but we are going somewhere. Look at this. What's my boss? I don't want to fall down, don't you know that, right?
Wow.
Follow me. This is so good. This trail, look at this. You will find adventurous journey in this trail. But go slow, babe. I'm scared.
यो हिँड्छ के यो बाटो. ओकेलाई वाउ मलाई त्यो दामी लाग्यो यो बाटो त हो बाजेको बाइकले तानेन. I'm in the middle of jungle. Woo, awesome. Wow.
छ तर ओह्रालो एकछिन आऊ So guys, we are stopping and waiting for them. I think way is there. Down and up.
You can, but wait till I get out of the way so you don't.
Better. Slowly, don't go downhill. Down.
I don't know anyone who would. I like people who like going riding, Greg or Andrew or
Yeah.
Richard or
Namaste. कस्तो दामी देखेको हँ ओहो यहाँ त
Very beautiful. I really like it. And not many people. And look at the whole hill covered with red color. It's so beautiful.
it's a bit different again, and it's all more frilly.
Everything you know is in your mind.
So guys, now we are heading back again. We just stopped for some snack. And I'm taking the rubbish. I'm not throwing it. And here you see the way. It's so beautiful and with a lot of flower. I really enjoyed this trail. So I recommend you guys to come as well in this trail for sure. You can do cycling, walking, biking.
सानो mistake, you are going to fall down. यहाँ बस्ने खाएको दामी रहेछ त
So guys, we are going down now and between in the jungle, as you can see.
हेलो उल्टो भयो क्या तिम्रो खिचेको
Good trail, I think.
यहाँ हेर न कति सानो रोडको राम्रो राम्रो चाहिँ अब है माउन्ट ल्याउनु पर्ने रहेछ मैले सजिलो हुन्थ्यो नि फर्स्टमा स्लोमै गर्थ्यो स्लो मतलब नर्मल्ली जहिले पनि त्यही बाटो भएको
अब यही बाटो तल जान्छ जस्तो लाग्यो Beautiful. So guys, I don't think I need to say too much, as you can see by yourself, and so many good things around near Kathmandu Valley as well. And I think you'll enjoy if you come in here. You can come cycling or hiking, or you can do whatever you want. So bike can come here as well. So be careful. Still, it's quite hilly, down step, but otherwise it's really fun and beautiful.
Oh, दामी क्या है अघि तिमी ल बाटै छैन त
त्यो मान्छेले यही भनेको थियो कि ए यहाँबाट जान्छ यहाँबाट down and you can do from here also I think but I don't know they've been doing from here
People have been going over here as well.
Yeah, they've made a bit of a way with them.
We can get over here too.
Which is better, you think?
I think it might be easier than down.
यताबाट आऊ
No, just gotta go there and
लिएर आऊ
And then go straight left down the other side.
tight.
And then right and then left.
and how from down here you think how we can not slippery it is slippery maybe we have to go
Now there's some.
Then you gotta come back up here.
Yeah.
कहाँ
You can go down as well, Emma.
तलबाट पनि जान्छ होला
Look
अरे
down and see.
तलबाट हेर्नु लाग्यो अब एकछिन
Yeah, this is like Australian forest. This is what forest is, so open and big trees, bigger trees.
I hope you won't fall from there बिस्तारै है यहाँबाट घुमाउनु पर्छ हो त
Quite loose dirt here.
चोर्लेर चला नि
Hang on, just hold it. Hold it again, I'll pull it down.
not down man not down सक्छ wait
Got to get up this way.
भयो oh
This is a bit up here.
सक्छ
It's easy.
अब दानिलको त्यो आलु त राख छिटो भयो छिटो 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 oh Daniel go scary
Walk it a bit easier on the back. I think your height is good for something.
Now we need to pull the left side out.
wait
Wrong side is going. Wrong part. That's not.
oh, that's so fun wait
What side? What?
Big back side?
No, this one. You take the front, I'll take the back.
Yeah.
You just hold the brakes on there, and I'll pull this across. Oh yeah, you want to take the back or?
Yeah, I think it's already gone back.
road was blocked. So guys, we have finished the trail now and we are down. So we joined the way from where we used to come backside of Lele and down. So I will write information and then location details in the description for sure for you. So like I think you guys can come if you are really a nature lover and you like the jungle. This is good way and good place to come near as well, not so far and doesn't take too long. So yeah, we really enjoyed and we had a lot of fun. So you guys also have fun, enjoy coming in here. I'm ending the video of today of this place. So we did really good trail riding. So it was really nice and beautiful. Enjoy your day, have a good weekend and see you in the next vlog again. Please support, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any question regarding my channel, my videos, and please let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye.